Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Remove the audio USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the base enclosure. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the audio USB board to the base enclosure. Lift the right edge of the audio USB board off of the alignment pins and slide the audio USB board external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure. Remove the audio USB board and place it in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the audio USB board from the static-dissipative bag. Tow the external connectors on the audio USB board into the cutouts in the base enclosure and lower the audio USB board onto its alignment pins. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the audio USB board to the base enclosure. Apply pressure to the length of the audio USB board ribbon cable to adhere it to the base enclosure.